something that you wanted to do for a while but haven't done yet? I have. And learning how to code is that. I believe there's a lot of people who have something that they wanted to do for a while but couldn't do, and like I was. I started learning how to code recently since I have more interest in it. I've always wanted to learn coding. So I'm going to talk about why I've wanted to learn coding, how I'm studying, and what I've learned from learning coding. First, let me talk about why I've wanted to learn coding. The first reason why I wanted to learn coding was because it is cool. It sounds like a weak reason to have, but you can have any reason when you're learning new skills if you're interested in. I've tried to learn coding before, but I couldn't keep up since I couldn't set up the future goal like creating a game or a website. So I figured that I needed to have stronger reasons that what I want to do with the programming. So why did I start studying coding again? That is because I have interest in biomedical engineering field. I had a chance to research about animal testing recently, and I want to work to stop animal testing. According to the article, in Silico Toxicology Non-Testing Method by Romeo et al., published on 2011, May 25th, 2011, one of the alternatives of animal testing is code in silico modeling. That uses a sophisticated computer which can simulate human biology, diseases, and new effect of diseases. From this, I became interested in silico research. When I further researched about it, I found the article Designing a Career in Biomedical Engineering by Engineering in Medicine and Biology. Says that it is learning having a programming background will be a great advantage. So this is why I wanted to learn how to code. Now let me talk about how I'm studying programming. I took multiple steps to learn coding. I believe there's a lot of people who don't want to spend so much money when learning new things, myself as well. I'm not in biomedical engineering, so I don't have a chance to study at school. So I researched where I can learn it for free. The first website that I found and can learn the basic knowledge is called Processing. According to the Processing dated 2020, it is a website that you can learn coding through the tutorial and coding example. I learned the basic skills and knowledge of coding. The second website that I'm using for more complicated programming is called Code Academy. This website, according to Code Academy 2020, they give a tutorials that is easy to understand and follow with immediate feedback. So this is how I'm learning coding. Now allow me to talk about what I learned from learning coding. It is not only skill and the knowledge that I've learned from learning coding. When you tackle to new skills, you can gain new insight of life. Now I only learned the basic skill and knowledge. It will take lots of time to be able to create a complicated programming, but I was able to create an easy game. I created the game. That measured the player's reaction time by making them click the rectangle that moves and earn the points according based on the based on how quick they clicked. So this is my first work, and it was fun, and now I understand how exciting the coding is. I also learned that it is never too late to learn new skills. It was not easy to study by myself, but I'm still happy that I was able to create a game. It may be hard to keep studying by myself, but I'm more interested and motivated because I now have a concrete reason to keep studying, to keep studying in coding. Therefore, as well as skills and the knowledge, I learned that it is never too late to learn new skills. So today I talked about why I wanted to learn coding, how I'm studying, and what I've learned from learning coding. This experience reminds me that it is never too late to learn new things, and you just have to tackle it. I'm going to make use of this experience for the future and keep studying programming. Now it is your turn to start your journey. Thank you.